as you know, you don't need to know anything about the network or the system to test it, right? So first find out the location and the system infrastructure. Then you can try to identify the vulnerabilities of the web applications from an attacker's perspective. You can use special characters, whitespace, SQL keywords, oversized requests, the list goes on, to determine the various conditions of the web application. You cover all these things. Now you can detect SQL injection issues by sending single quotes as the input data to identify instances that don't have proper user input validations. You can send double quotes as input data to identify instances where the user is not sanitized. You can detect input sanitation issues by using the right square bracket as the input data to catch instances where the user input is used as part of a SQL identifier without any input sanitation.
And you can detect a SQL modification by sending long strings of single quote characters. These max out the return values from the replace and quote name functions and might truncate the command variable used to hold the SQL statement. Then you can detect the truncation issues by sending long strings of junk data, just as you would send strings to detect buffer overruns. This may throw SQL errors on the page.